Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, and I want to show you one of our great brokerage listings. It's a 2022 255 Dorado by Scout. It's got some really great features. Come on aboard, let's check it out. All right, the Dorado by Scout is known for its versatility, and Scout is known for their innovations, and they've got some of the coolest design boats you'll ever find. We're going to start on the back of this. We've got twin 200 Mercs on the back. And Scout offers lots of different power options. This is one of our brokerage listings, so this is a slightly pre-owned boat, and it's a really good value. Notice all the rod holders on the back. We've got a nice bait well here, great swim platforms, and I really like what Scout did with the seating. You know, this boat can completely convert from a nice cruiser to a fishing boat. You've got all this great seating, but it tucks away really neatly. And this one's actually electric, so it tucks completely out of the way also. Check out all that room you have for fishing in the back. And we've got a nice shade on top that extends out to keep you nice and cool. We've got a really cool wet bar. We've got a Yeti cooler down below, lots of tackle storage. Nice sink, cutting board. No matter if it's bait or watermelon, got you covered. All right, great speakers on the tower. This is a full water sports tower. You can do a little bit of everything with it. I like the way they did the roof. Got a grab handle here and a nice accent lighting. Scout does a beautiful job at their helm too. Look at the way they flush mounted the GPS screen. All the nice amenities and switches. Great place for your cell phone. This boat's got a double wide companion seat here. 11-person capacity. A really nice head compartment. The boat comes with a storage cover, boat bumpers, everything you need. Moving forward to the bow, another great area to hang out. We've got really nice loungers, floor storage, cabinet storage inside the console, armrest, anchor windlass on the front of the boat, electric anchor, plenty of speakers, plenty of rod holders, and plenty of drink holders. This boat can get you anywhere. It'll take you offshore, cruise the lake, do whatever you want to do. And it comes with the trailer. So come check this out, many of our other great listings here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.